Hi everyone, Captain Mark got a great product for you. It's the VEVOR water distiller. This elegant water distiller can make up to 4 liters or 1.1 gallons in less than 3.5 hours. This wonderful kit also comes with a borosilicate glass pitcher to use to pour water. The dual temperature display gives us the setting temperature and the actual temperature in the distiller. Plenty of power to spare in this distiller. It has 750 watts of heating element with its aluminum heating plate. Gets the job done quickly and efficiently. The VEVOR water distiller has great safety features. It has an intelligent temperature control system that keeps the water at a perfect temperature and giving you a great taste and mineral contaminants free. This all happens because of its dual safety protection with the auto shut off and the stop heating. You can use the distiller to make drinkable water, to make essential oils, some hydrosol, and some alcohol. Folks, you can pick up this VEVOR water distiller on Amazon for $149.99, and I'll leave that quick link down below for quick and easy access. So let's take a look at the unboxing and hands-on review. And first thing we see when we open up the box is the user manual. Pretty complete, tells you how to use it, do's and don'ts. Next is your power cord to energize the water distiller. Next, they're providing you with fruit cleaning powder to keep your tank fresh and clean. Here's the upper body part of the distilled water maker. It has a plastic toe handle on the top. It's plastic all around. You can see inside here we have a cooling fan. You can see it has the intake vents all around it to help aid the fan in keeping it cool. You can see here it has its own top body power cord, which plugs into the bottom half. And you can see around the outer edge there's a double silicone seal to keep it from leaking. And you have the water outlet where your distilled water pours out. Next we have the plastic lid for the water pitcher. Here we have our handle and hardware for installing the handle on our glass water pitcher. And they also provide us with 3 carbon water filter packs. I'll quickly show you how easy it is to install your water handle on your water pitcher. You can see it comes with instructions. There's 3 steps you have to follow. And you have your bands that are in the bottom of your glass water pitcher. You pull them out. Align these straps around the glass pitcher until the 2 holes intersect. Take your handle, slide it gently on top. Now underneath the handle, you're going to slide this little black clip that comes with it. It's a spacer. You slide it inside, put your screw and tighten it down, and that's it. And repeat the process for the other end of the handle with the straps. And final result, handle on the water pitcher. Taking a look at the lower body of the water distiller, you can see here it's all stainless steel all the way around. It also has a double screen display, adjustable set temperature, and current real-time temperature on the display, of course with an on and off switch. Rotating the main body around, you can see we have 2 power cord sockets. The one on the right is for the power cord socket itself. The one on the left is for the top body power cord. Looking at the bottom of the unit, you can see we have 3 anti-slide pads and several holes in there for ventilation. All right. Now that I got it fully assembled, let's take it upstairs out of the studio, put it in my kitchen, and get some hands-on review. Okay, folks, I poured my drinking water into the storage water pitcher, and I'm going to be using a 16-in-1 drinking water test kit. Now, this has high sensibility, and what it detects is pH, hardness, chlorine, lead, iron, copper, nitrate, nitrite, and some other water impurities that are in there. So I just want to see where we're starting out, and after we use the distiller, we're going to find out just exactly how much it removes the elements and all the impurities from the water. The test strip's been in there long enough. We'll pull it out. I just want to see where my baseline is here starting out, and we'll compare it to the chart on the back of the box and see where we're at. And you can see here there are some elements that are high on my water, especially the iron, the rust in the water. This is all coming from my tap. I don't normally drink my tap. I drink bottled water or filtered water. So here we go. We're going to take the water, pour it into our distiller tank, get everything out of there, and put the top part of the unit on, line it up just right. So I can put my storage pitcher directly below it to catch all the water. All right, and we'll just plug it in, push the power button, set the timer for 3.5 hours. Now, of course, I'm not going to be able to show you the whole process of distilling, but I will periodically bounce back in and check and see the status of it and where we're at, how the water looks. All right, after 15 minutes, you can see here our water temperature now is at 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Our operating temperature needs to be at least 212, that's boiling. We're at 3 hours and 17 minutes. All right, the next check-in is 30 minutes. We have 2 hours and 54 minutes left. Our operating temperature currently is 212, and the water's starting to boil inside. We're getting really close to start the process. You can also notice inside the water storage pitcher that it's starting to steam up from the evaporation going on inside the water distiller. Alrighty, so we're almost 3/4 of the way through. We are 2.5 hours into it. The storage water pitcher is over half full of distilled water. Now at this time, I'd like to test the distilled water using my 16:1 drinking water test kit. And we'll just let it sit in the water for a few seconds. Just want to get a rough idea. Alright, pull it out. Let's do a comparison here between the distilled water and the tap water. See what the difference was, how much it actually removed the elements. Wow, I'm very impressed. In comparing it to my tap water, it removed almost all of the impurities in the water. That's amazing. Check it out. This thing really works nice. And for the piece de resistance, we're going to sample the distilled water. Wow, look how clear the water is. That's good. Not bad at all. I am so impressed with this. Water really tastes good. Well, folks, that's my review on the VEVOR 4-liter, 1-gallon distilled water maker with its temperature control of 750 watts, countertop water purifier with dual temperature display. Great product, as you can see in the review. And I want to let everybody know, if you look down in the description box, I have a coupon for you to get 5% off the product, so that drops it down even lower. So great deal there. Check it out. I hope this helped you in making an educated decision whether to purchase this product or any of the other products on my channel. I have plenty of other products coming at you, so I hope to see you in the next video. And this is Captain Mark saying to you, thank you for watching.